Hi and welcome to Down to Earth Kitchen. Today we have a take on traditional German Rouladen. I may not be saying that right, so I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments. So this is different from traditional Rouladen in that there will be no sauce for the meat to go into, kind of a quick version. I had made it this way because I forget what grade it was. It was like first or second grade. I made this for a school project and we did it without the sauce and I loved it. So that's how I'm making it today and I cannot wait to show it to you. Ingredients list, let's go through that really quickly. So we need the beef. Dave, can you please explain the beef? This is my husband, Dave. Explain the beef. What kind of beef was this? What was this?
This is an eye of the round.
Eye of the round.
Sliced down to a 1/4 inch thickness.
1/4 inch thickness. Also recommended for this is what else? You could do New York strip steaks, skirt steaks, hammered out, which we did not feel like hammering out. And there was one other option you could do. Basically, you need thin beef, about 1/4 inch thick, because we're going to be rolling it, so it's got to be rolly. All right, so we've got our beef here, and you're going to want some bacon. Sadly, we do not have real bacon, so this is turkey bacon today. Womp womp. Still think it'll be good, but I would try it with real bacon. You could also leave the bacon out altogether. And then you're going to need pickles. I've shown you my entire pickle collection here, even though we do not need this many pickles, but I'm proud of what we've made. I want you to see it. And you're gonna need about 1/2 an onion sliced, and you're gonna want some Dijon mustard. All right, let's get cooking. All right, step one, we are gonna cut up our pickles. So let me get a fork. Be really careful about contaminating these pickles because they're homemade. Cucumbers from the garden, and you can reuse the brine if it stays clean. I just want to check the pickles. I don't know how old they are. They might be too new. We put a couple in a couple days ago. They actually don't look like they're a problem. These are good to go. These are pickled pickles. All right, so these pickles are actually already chopped. The pickles are gonna need to fit across the meat. They're a little too big, so I'm gonna cut them. These are just spears. I'm gonna cut a bunch of them in half. Let me count up my meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So I'm gonna cut up 5 of these. These are gonna be delicious. I'm not sure if we've got our pickle video posted yet, but I will try to get that up for you because these are really good pickles. They taste a lot like Clausen. All right, so we're just gonna cut this here. Next, we are going to take our meat. It's been years since I've done this. I'm gonna start with the meat, and I wanna salt it on both sides. Hey, you know what is impressive? My pickle collection. That's impressive, isn't it?
I think jokes carry through from one video to the next.
Hopefully you guys are back and you know what I'm talking about. If not, go watch the last video. Next, we are going to take the mustard and we're gonna coat it. That's our schmiert. Okay. So we got that nice layer of mustard on there. This is fun. This is a fun thing to make. And it's different. I like making different stuff. Next, we'll go to the bacon. Pretend this is real bacon, although it is just turkey bacon. All right. Then we're gonna take 2 of our pickles, really just 1 pickle cut in half. Then you're gonna take 2 to 3 pieces of onion that I pre-sliced for you, like a real cooking show. And you're gonna pop those in. Okay, so there's always a lot of pressure when you're wrapping and rolling things, okay? We're gonna start with the sides, and we're gonna pull them in so nothing falls out the sides. can do this. You can do this. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Going in. Going in, folks. We're rolling. We're rolling. We are rolling. All right. Carrot, come underneath. Like a present. Yeah, like a gift. You know, give it across.
Yep.
This is how you learn, I guess. All right, take 2. Now I think I know what's going on. Okay, I get this now. You want it as wide as you can get it to fit your pickles, but you really need those pickles to not be too wide if you want to pull your sides up over it, which is what's going to keep all the filling in there. So I'm actually going to make this one even a little smaller. I'm going to cut my pickles up even tinier. Okay, and then I'm only going to do 1 onion on this one. We're going to see how that one goes. Let's try this again. Okay, I'm just going to go with 1 onion that I'm going to chop so it's short enough. It's actually 2. Let's stick with 2. All right. Next little present. All right, maybe take 3 will be better. Okay, this one should be good because it's big. All right. Let's go again. All right, we finished with that. Not quite so easy process, but it's over. It's over now. We're in a safe place. Now we can get to cooking. Check them out. All the pretty ones were done by Dave. All the messed up ones are mine. Here you go. And we are now going to put a little bit of olive oil into a pan, 2 pans. I'd even take 3. And we're gonna fry these babies up. We're gonna put the burners on medium to high heat, and we are going to start browning these babies.
We're gonna sear them.
We're gonna sear them. That's what we're gonna do. They're going. So I'm just gonna pack them in here. Get the big guy in there. All right, get this baby going. Room for 1 more? Can we do this? Kinda. Ooh, that wasn't gentle. All right. I'll wash my hands. All right, I got an apron. All right, now I'm rotating these, right, babe?
Well, just someone in your pan, mine's too.
I'm doing my pan, I'm doing my pan. That's not fair. We're calling my pan the one with all the ugly ones in it, and yours is the pretty pan. Yeah. Ow! I'll turn my pan off. All right, guys, we have a friend coming over for dinner tonight with their family, and so we're a little bit early to finish that whole thing, so I'm gonna leave my pan not cooking. We're just gonna do the pretty pan for you, okay? We'll cook the rest of it in a little bit. Let's get them around. I know it does. And I've got barley going on the back stove here, so we can serve this over barley with a nice little salad. I'm excited. It's ready to go in the oven. We have it on 400, and it's just browned all around. And we're gonna put it in there uncovered. Sounds like the kids are home. It's been about 7 minutes, and we are going to pull out our half-done rouladen. See how it looks. Do you like that name, half-done rouladen? No, because it sounds like it's half raw. It's not half raw. We'll come up with a name for this. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Okay. Wow. Okay, that looks so good. All right, so I previously made some barley. You can do no carb or whatever carb you want, but we went with barley. made with chicken broth. Layer it on here. It's already been salted. So we got that. All right, let's come over here. And got a little there. Let's bring over our rouladen without the sauce. That's what we can call it. All right. This is way prettier than it was when it went in. And it was fine that the sides weren't done. I felt pretty good about that. Oh, look at that. Those are nice looking. Those are nice looking. That's a nice looking meal. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of herbs on top because I like the green. And then I love arugula. I need a little bit of fresh. I'm gonna throw a little bit of arugula in there. That is a pretty meal. All right, what do you guys think? No, we're definitely gonna cut one of these babies open and see what they look like inside. All right, so I'm just gonna get rid of the old stringy string. It's very helpful. This dog here is staring at every single move of mine right now. All right, we're just gonna slice into this. Give it a little taste before dinner.
Dog is just praying for a mess up.
I know he is. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious, you guys. Take a little bite of that. Oh my gosh. It's pretty. Okay, ready? It's so good. It's so good, and this one didn't even have the bacon in it. All right, come try this. That's actually so simple. The tying up was not so simple. That was a little bit laborious. But now that we know it doesn't really matter how well it's tied, I would have had less stress on me tying it. So good.
That is so
right, guys,
good.
This is a really good one. I haven't had this since I think we made it once when we were married, and then I hadn't had it since I was a kid. It's so good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our sauceless rouladen, our first graders' take on rouladen. It's a really good one. Thanks for joining us today on Down to Earth Kitchen. If you liked this, please be sure to hit like and subscribe. We've got new videos coming for you every week. Thanks, enjoy. Welcome. All right, do it again.